Hi everyone, this is the gas walkthrough for August 15th. I'm Philip Newman. Today I'm solving Odd, Even, Big, Small Sudoku by Bill Murphy. And this is an 8x8 Sudoku. We don't do a whole lot of 8x8, but this is one. So we just have 1 through 8 in each row, column, and 2x4 region. And the reason this is typically 8x8 is because of the variant. The variant applies to the first 2 cells away from the clue. So for this big clue, these 2 cells, it's telling us that these 2 digits are big. So big in an 8x8 means 5, 6, 7, 8. Small means 1, 2, 3, 4. And so typically this would not be 9 by 9 because big and small don't divide evenly. And then you have some confusion over whether 5 is big or small. I don't know that I've ever seen this as a 9 by 9. You could do it. Typically it's an 8 by 8. So we have big, we have small, we have odd, we have even. Those are the categories, and all of the clues apply to the first 2 cells. So this big applies to these 2 cells, for example. Those are the rules, and we will start up here. And when I was first solving this is like my 4th attempt solving this morning for various reasons. Audio clipping, and then something fell off my desk in the middle of one, and I got a call in the middle of one, so hopefully this will be pretty smooth. But where I started, the first time I solved this, was in this row, because these 2 digits are small, but we already have a 4 in the row, so they're 1, 2, 3. But then these 2 digits are even, so this has to be 2. And that just gives us a digit immediately. And we can actually do the same thing up here. This time 4 is in the box rather than in the row, but these are still 1, 2, 3, and these 2 cells are even. So that places a 2. Similar thing with the big clues here. These are not 5, so they are 6, 7, 8. But this one is odd, and this one is odd. Alright, next thing, these are small. They aren't 2, because we already have a 2 in the box. So 1, 3, 4. This one's not 4, so we actually have a 1, 3 pair, and that's 4. And this has to be 6 or 8 to finish the box, but there's an 8 here, so that results 6, 8. These are big, and so they are from 5, 6, 8, and the 6, 8 doesn't go there. And this is 1 or 3, but we have a 1 down here. And that resolves the top row. Alright, let's go down here now. Here we have big digits in these 2 cells, but we also have big digits in these 2 cells, and we have an 8 in the box. So our big digits are 5, 6, 7. And the 7 here means this has to be 7. And the even clue here means this has to be 6, and this is 5. These are from 1, 2, 3, 4. They are our low digits. This one has to be even though, and it's not 2, so it's 4. And this one's not 1. That actually gives us all of our small digits in this column. So these are high, these are big, and these 2 are also big. So that gives us all our big digits in the box. But we can do better than that. We have 5, 6, 7 here, and this is not 7. So our 7 is in one of these cells. We can remove the 7 here. I don't know that it's necessary. These are small now because we have all of our big digits. So they're 1, 3, and these are 2, 4 because of this odd clue. Sorry, I didn't actually say that. These are 2, 4 to finish the column. And I think that's about all we can do right now. So let's look at this box now. We have something similar here. These are small, and we have a 1 in the box. So 2, 3, 4. We have a 2 here. So this is 2. That looks over 3, 4, 3. The 3 looks up, 1, 3, 1, 3, and the 1 looks down. This is a 6. And these are 5, 7, and 8. This isn't 7, but also it is odd, so this is 5. The 6 looks up for 8 and 6. The 8 looks down for 7 and 8. And now we've got the top and bottom bands done. Let's look here, these are even, and we have 2, 4, and 6 in these cells, so this must be 8. This must be even, and it's not 2, so it's 4 or 6. It's the only place for 8 in the column. These are 1, 5, and 7, and this has to be small from this clue, so this is 1. This is also small, so it's 3 or 4. It's the 1 and 2. We still need an 8 in this column. It's got to go here. This is 3, 4, 6. Alright, over here we still need a 1, and we have a 1 there. So this is 5 or 6. And now our remaining digits in this box are 3 and 7. Alright, let's look at this column. We have our big digits already, so these are 1, 2, 3, 4. None of these are 1. This is not 3. And now we have all of our small digits in this box. So this is 6. These are going to be 5 and 7. And that 6 is going to resolve a bunch of big digits. This is 7, 5, 7, and 3. Now we have 2, 4 here, so this is 3, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4. This is 3. The 5 here looks over for 7 and 5, 7 and 6, 6 and 2. And that's the solution. So we don't do a lot of 8x8, and it's been quite a while since we did this variant specifically. It's really neat, the way the divisions interact. So I hope you enjoyed that. Let us know how you found it in the comments. I will see you next time.